someone to show me around.
This is a war zone. If you stay here, you're going to get killed.
UPDF warns former LRA members against returning insurgency in northern Uganda. The Uganda People's Defense Forces, UPDF, has issued a strong warning to individuals identifying as former Lord Resistance Army LRA warlords who recently declared intentions to take up arms against President Yoweri Museveni's government. The group announced they were prepared to go back to the bush to resume an insurgency in northern Uganda, raising alarm across security and local communities.
Failure to support the victim, Lueng, I think a declaring Mary Lueng, Giramira weather tete Lueng.
The more can a mark my dong it a mark my day this thing my papa when you tell more I loom. Logma Kiterio, Irimir Tegi Kiteri Put, Kikanya Bini know what Dogon Alutini Tigan Jan.
What are you about DPCs, RDCs, Mati Northern Gang, William Bear, MPs, William Bear.
We are Enumapura working. Matuta Wakana, Junior Bukon and Macum.
Major General Felix Busizori, commander of the UPDF's 4th Infantry Division, responded firmly on Friday to the declaration. Don't temper by going to the bush. We shall pick you like a grasshopper. In the first 2 days, you will be crushed. He said, this statement underscores the government's readiness to act decisively to prevent renewed conflict and maintain stability in the region. Northern Uganda remains fragile after decades of LRA conflict, which left thousands dead, displaced millions, and caused lasting social and economic disruption. Security analysts note that even threats of rebellion without actual mobilization can destabilize communities, hinder development, and provoke fear. Across Africa, there is a pattern of cloning or creating rebel movements. Some African governments have been accused of manipulating or sponsoring armed groups to destabilize targeted regions in order to extend their stay in power. Even if this group of self-proclaimed warlords does not physically return to the bush, their rhetoric could be exploited to replicate creating wider insecurity and political instability.
In relation to the record statement which was made on social media by some few elements within our communities who were threatening government that they are soon taking up arms because they still remember where they left their guns. So they threatened that they are going to take up arms. But in conclusion, what we have seen is that it was the issue of the stomach. It was not a serious matter. They were just talking so that they are given something to eat. This is because of the political situation that is there now. So they were just looking for something to eat. But what is important is that the UPDF has developed capacity to defend all corners of Uganda. So those who are deceived by bad elements, especially these young boys who made such statements, be assured that UPDF has capacity to defend the whole of Uganda from all corners. So don't get deceived that you can hold arms and be around in causing chaos. So I want to appeal to the people who made such statements to withdraw such statements, but we are going to carry out an investigation because you cannot take it right, you cannot take it for granted. Maybe there could be some plan to restart again the case that was here. But what is good is that the people of Acholi are tired with the war, so they may not get support as they think. But we have capacity to stop it. They have no chance. I know if they try, the first 2 days they will be crushed. So don't tamper. by going to the bush. Moreover, there are no bushes where to hide. And the capacity that we have now with the technology that we have developed, the reconnaissance, the drones, so there is nowhere you can hide thinking that you'll be in the bush. The first day we shall be seeing you. We shall pick you like a grasshopper. So, but we are appealing to...
Well, in conclusion, they were wrong, saying they would go to the bush, risk the future of the Acholi people, because even if they do not rebel, cloning of rebels is common by African governments. Their threats could be copied, manipulated, or used to justify their further conflict, undermining peace, development, and stability in northern Uganda. The message from the UPDF is clear. Armed rebellion is not only futile, but dangerous. And those advocating for a return to the bush are putting the region's future at risk.